Thank you. So we are set for the presentation this evening. For those of you who are just joining, because I noticed the number is increasing. Like I did said, Isokina Egiato by name, and I'm a business development manager to Light Finance in Africa, and also a country representative in Nigeria. This presentation is brought to you by Light Finance Global, and Light Finance is an international forex brokerage company that offer you access into the global financial markets to trade and to copy expert trader and make profits in the markets. I would also like to say that Light Finance is not an investment company. Light Finance don't offer investment advisory service. It's just a B2B and a B2C platform for traders to trade on the global financial markets. And also for those who are new and doesn't have enough skills to be able to navigate the complexity of the market, you could also have opportunity to copy expert trader and in why they do the trading. So let's try to follow our curriculum so that we'll try to be right on time for this presentation. We're starting right by 8 and hopefully plan to run on the class by 9:30, right? So that depends on the number of questions we're going to entertain, because we want to make this class as interactive as possible. So we want to plead for your patience if the class is going to be shooting as far as 9:30, so that we can take your question, help you to understand what you need to know about the global financial market. So right at this point, let's go straight up into our presentation. Like I said, for those who are just still joining us, I'm Isokina Egiato by name, and I'm mentor his. I'm a global financial market expert, and I've been trading in the last 18 years. I'm a personal finance coach, a country representative to Light Finance in Nigeria, and a business development manager in Africa. In my experience in the forex trading business in the last 18 years, I have seen forex broker going bankrupt, and they're liquidating and selling their broker over to another brokerage company, and have enjoyed the dividend of a broker being regulated. So Light Finance is also a regulated broker. 16 years ago, I was trading with a broker, and the broker liquidated and they called for bankruptcy, and another broker bought over the brokerage company, and our assets was moved to the new broker, safe and secure. I'm talking about 16 years ago. That singular act actually built my confidence in the forex trading business, to say that the forex trading business is an institute that have regulation in various continents across the globe, and Light Finance is duly regulated as a broker also. And I've also seen people made 100% of their return on investment in just a day. And I've also seen people lose their entire assets in a day. And I've also seen mutual fund and hedge funds collect money for people and promise to give them exorbitant return, crashed in a couple of 1 or 2 years because their promises was not realistic. Been in this industry for over 16 years now, I've offered me a lot of opportunity to gain experience. So I'll be teaching you basically based on experience and not just knowledge. If I know what I know today, I wouldn't be advising everyone to be a forex trader, but everyone doesn't have to be a forex trader, but everyone can earn money in the forex trading business. With the opportunities in the global financial market today, the technology, the interface, and the tools that is available for people to participate in this market today, I do not see any reason why anyone should be losing money in the global financial market or should not leverage on the global financial markets to make profits. The market is complex and might not be suitable for everyone to be a trader and an analyst, because basically the market goes with emotion, a psychology, and a proper understanding on how the market is structured, fundamentally, technically, developing the right trading strategy. Most of the time that often take years to develop might not be easy for newbies. So I believe I've given you some a little insight about my portfolio and why I think I'm qualified to be taking you this evening on copy trading and how to copy experts. I will be showing you how to copy the right experts and how also to develop systems that enable you stay profitably every month in the global financial markets. I have been able to develop systems, not just strategy, because most forex traders focus on strategy, but meanwhile, you need a system to stay profitable in the market every month. How to develop system within the forex business to ensure that you make profits every month, regardless of the market's condition. Copy trading. So, we will be talking about today on how you aim while you are learning in the global financial markets through copy trading, how to leverage on other people's money. There are a lot of us who might be experts and we lack the capital to trade and make good profits. The copy trading platform offers you the opportunity to access investors globally, not just only in Africa, that might want to copy your trade if you are an excellent trader, and how to get the best copy trading setup and the secrets copy trading strategy to earn profits all year long in the market. So for those of you who are writing, it might just take maybe a minute so that you can write what we have on the screen. Meanwhile, I would like to welcome some few participants that is just joining us. Mr. Nicolia, you're welcome. Mr. Herin Obayagbon, you're welcome. Gabriel Umar, you're welcome. Fantin Alexander, you're welcome. So these are some few persons that are just joining us. And I want to be sure every one of us can hear the audio and you can also see the screen. So this class is going to be basically theory, practicals. So we'll talk a little bit on the theory and then we'll also talk a little on the practical. Like you already know, this webinar is brought to you by Light Finance, and courtesy demand that we should have a portfolio with Light Finance as a broker, because you cannot trade on the global financial market without a broker. You cannot have access to the global financial market to copy expert trader without a broker. The broker gives you access to the global financial market to connect you with millions of other traders and institutes globally that are speculating various assets to also have the opportunity to trade and make profits. So please, if you don't have an account with Light Finance, I would like you to sign up an account using lightfinanceng.com so that we can properly profile you and be able to offer you some of our local supports, how due to our community of successful traders, and you can be able to enjoy several other mentorship benefits and have access to opportunities around the Light Finance platform. So please write down the link that you're seeing and please log in with this link to create an account, because we also want to take credit for this event. It's very important that you create an account through this link. If you already have an account, it's okay. Maybe at the end of the class, we'll be requesting for your email using registering Light Finance account so that we can add you to our community where you also enjoy further support and meet with other traders that are also making profit with the Light Finance platform. I think it's an interesting place you would like to be. Copy trading. So what is copy trading? Copy trading, which is also called social trading, is also called mirrored trading, but we've termed it for this class as copying experts. They're all the same thing. So discover the forex social world of professional trading by copying traders or becoming an example to follow. So the copy trading have two parts. One of the parts is for those who are newbie and want to copy experts, while the other part is for those who are experts and want newbies to copy them. So it's more like a customer to customer service, C to C, that Light Finance is offering. So Light Finance is not the experts. Light Finance doesn't offer investment advisory service, but we are going to be showing you how to make the best choice, who's expert to copy from their trading experience and their risk ratio, to know which expert to copy that to keep you in profits all year long. But just bear in mind that the copy trading is for either newbies who want to copy experts and experts who want newbies to copy them, so they both can aim in the global financial market. I'll be taking you later on the Light Finance back end, where I will show you how the interface work within the Light Finance platform. Testimonies from some of our successful copy trading experts already. Why copy trading? Like I said earlier on, if I know what I know about the global financial market today from my 18 years experience, I wouldn't advise everyone to be a forex trader, because there's a lot of psychology, there's a lot of emotions, and money is involved, and not everyone can manage risk and control emotion when it comes to money and business. So, but 18 years ago, when we started trading the global financial market, there was no such opportunity within the brokerage platform where newbies can even come in to copy traders that are experts. So you have only options of trading. So you have to learn how to trade. But today, you don't have to trade. You can just copy an expert and you're making money in the global financial market. And you are making what we call residual income, because now your money is making money for you while you spend your time doing other important things. Your money is just making money for you. You are not investing. The money is in your portfolio within the international brokerage company, and you're just copying another trader that is an expert. This actually take care of the era where we used to give our money to one so-called expert who promises us to make 100% every month and take some percentage, and will take some percentage. Most of those experts who never meet up to expectation, and they left many of us, for those of us who may have those experience, heartbroken. In this case, you are not giving your money to an expert. You're not putting your money in the expert's portfolio. The money is in your own Light Finance accounts. You are just going to be saying, expert, where are you? Show me your account performance. How long have you been trading? What's your return like? And copy the expert. And if the expert is not meeting up to expectation, you can stop it just in a seconds. Without messaging the expert, without contacting the expert, you can stop copying an expert in just less than a second. Just in a second, you can stop copying an expert right away. So that's how flexible the copy trading platform work. So let's move on with the class. Who is a newbie in the copy trading platform? A newbie is someone who wants to earn while he's learning, or just earning without trading. And you basically don't need any knowledge whatsoever about the global financial market, about forex, to start earning. And we are going to show you how to do that. And you can start earning right from tomorrow morning if you're ready to start earning. And who is an expert? Who is the expert? An expert is the guy who is a professional forex trader and has been trading the Light Finance platform, and his performance is there for you to see. All you just need to do is to copy his trade. And as you copy his trade, his trading, and as he's making profit, you are making profit also. And the end of the month or every day, he takes some percentage of the profit he's making for you. Some of the experts set their percentage at 30%, 50%, 20%, even 15%. So imagine you have $1,000 and the expert make 30% for you at the end of the month, or 40%, depend at the case may be, because it's not fixed, it's not an investment. So the expert take 20% of what was made for you, while you take the 80%, and your fund is within your portfolio. You are in absolute control of your portfolio. So let's take a look at the practical aspects of how you can set up as a newbie and an expert, and then we'll move into the other parts of our presentation. Please, I hope you can hear me. If you have any question, please just go ahead and use the chat button above to type your questions, and I will be answering your question as we go. You can use this chat button. You can use the Q&A section to ask your question, and I'll be answering your question right as we are going in the class. Yes, this class promises to be interactive, and we want to carry every participant along. You're welcome, Mr. Gabriel, Mr. Oyelekin, you're welcome. Sorry if I didn't get your name very well. So some few persons have been able to join us also. So let's get on. Let's get on. I'm going to be opening my Light Finance profile. So if you can see my screen, please just give us a wave. If you know you can see my screen, please give us a wave if you can see my screen. Thank you, Mr. Danny. Thank you, Mr. Oladeyo. Thank you, Mr. Emmanuel. Thank you, Mr. Danny. Thank you, Mr. Gabriel. So this is the Light Finance ng.com website. We want to sincerely appeal that you come here and click on open an account or sign up to create your profile. It's just a very few steps. You'll be having a profile. So so that we can profile you and you could be part of our community here in Nigeria. Okay. So, but if you already have a profile, all you just need to do is to click on log in and supply your login details, and you'll be logged in right into your Light Finance environment. So this is how the Light Finance environment looks like. Once you have a profile, you have my name here, and you can see this is a real account. Maybe because of the training, I also show us how we can switch over to our demo mode, because this is how it works in Light Finance interface. You can switch between your real account, your demo mode, and you can click on your profile to do your KYC. You can make your deposit and your withdrawal. You can check history of all the deposits and withdrawal that has been made in your accounts. And you can use this bring a friend to refer friends and earn money in the Light Finance platform. So these are the menu here. All that you need to know about the Light Finance platform. When you click on trade, for those who are trader, you want to trade Euro, USD, you just click it and it opens the trading chart for you. You can do your analysis and then place your trade. You can't place trade today because the currency market is closed. So you can go back to trade and then click on cryptocurrency, for instance, that is open today. You click on cryptocurrency. Let's say you want to trade Ethereum USD. You can click it. You can see the charts here. You can make your analysis. You can draw your trend line. You can use these two right here to draw your trend line, right? And just do your analysis and trade. So this class is not for how to trade. So, but there is a explainer video here. When you watch this explainer video, it's going to explain to you basically how you use this interface for trading. So we are talking about copy to copy. So this is what we have to come for, copy. So we click on the copy icon to leave this page. It's going to take us to the copying environment, right? And you click on analysis, take you to analysis profile, to do your KYC, finance for deposit and withdrawal, education, to gain some training. So each of these menu here, partnership, downloading MetaTrader or CTrader, each of these menu have an explainer video here that you can watch that can give you basic idea on what to do. So even for this copy trading, we can click on the explainer video and click on play. The explainer video is going to take us through this environment, how to copy an expert. So this is a class where you want to understand the strategy of copying experts and make profits. So this video alone will not help you get it right. So let's dive into practical example on how to copy. So here's the copy environment. These are my favorite experts that I've saved here to copy. So this is just in favorite. I'll tell you how you do that shortly. So if you like an expert, you click on the favorite icon, it becomes on your favorite list. If you click on popular, popular is going to show you major experts that are more popular that everybody is copying. So I think we have a question. What is the minimum amount to subscribe for the copy trading? It's $100, Mr. Nee. It's $100, Mr. Nee. So we'll get to that very soon. So just follow the class. With $100, you can start copying. So I'm going to connect this training to Mr. Nee question he just asked. So let's look at the most popular traders that can be copied. His name is Trading S Capital, and he has been trading for about 2,741 days, which is approximately about that should be about 9 years or 8 years or so. And his risk is about 2%. And this is the profit he has made for about 9 years, 532%. He said he will be taking 30% of the profits he's making. He has 552 people copying him, and he's trading a total assets of $3.3 million. Now he's the most popular person here to copy. But you don't just copy because he's popular. What you want to do is to click on his name to go further more and check more details about him. So let's check some other details about him. So right here, we can check, you can see we can check the graph trend of his profitability. We can check portfolio to see the assets that he basically likes to trade. So this is asset is trading, and they currently have 2 trades running that are running on a negative, but this does not in any way go close to his 3.3 million capital. So I think he has a very good money management. Let's check his trading history to see some of the trade he has closed on profit and loss. So that's some of the trade he has been closing on profit, 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 profit. He also have some loss. You see, this is how the forex markets work. You can see there is no profit without loss. You must profit and lose. But if you check this expert to see that you have series of profits, series of loss, series of profits, and just keep trading. It's like a market. Forex trading is like a market. So you come to information. At the end of the week, you want to check what his performance is. So let's see what his performance is. Let's start from the top left corner. You can see that he has made 532% in the period of about 2,741 days. His commission he will be taking for the profit he will be making on your capital is 30%. This is automated. You don't have to be paying him every month. Immediately make a profit, place a trade and profit, his share goes to him, your share goes to you. Just keep going on like that. And it says sustainable profit, low risk. He said he has made a profit of about $700,000 in 7 years, and in 3 to 6 months, 7 years and 3 and 6 months. Okay, he's recommending that you can copy him with $5,000. So this is the first analysis we are doing. I hope you are following. So for Nee that just asked, what's the minimum copy? I just told Nee that the minimum money to copy is $100. So Mr. Nee, you can see that this guy is the most popular trader that everybody is copying. But he's saying the minimum money to copy is $5,000. So you don't want to copy him, Mr. Nee, because you don't understand the strategy. So you can be copying him, even though he's on the ranking as the most popular trader, but you can be losing because your equity you are using to copy in is too small, and his recommended copying is $500. I don't know if you're getting me, Mr. Nee. So this is where the first analysis starts for building a strategy or a system for copying. You can't copy Capital X, Trading S Capital with $100. You can't. So if you go on, you can see so many other information about himself. He says he's on my FS book, Trading X Capital. If you don't have enough money, please copy his Cent account. I think you have another one, is Cent, Trading Cent. So you can go and copy that with a minimum of $100. You can copy that one. Okay, he has a lot. So let's see his country. It's for Vietnam. And his own capital is $200,000. That's his own capital. And he's trading 3.2 million for people. And these are the number of people he's trading for. This is his profitability in the last previous month. This month that is about ending is making 2.4%. Last month, he made 2.8%. The other month, he made 1.2%. The other month, he made 0.35%. The other month, he made 1.6%. The other month, he made 2.4%. You just see how it goes. Since it's trading, you can see that there is a month he lost. There's another month again he lost. But if you put it all together, you can see that he's making profits in the forex market. And this is how a business is like. Nobody promises you a steady return every month in any business that is realistic, because there are some months that the business might not go as expected. It's the same applied in the forex trading market, as we can see. Okay, but I know that this return might not be okay for some investors because it might be too small. And again, I say you can't copy him because of his capital. But I'm just using him basically to give an analysis how you make your decision of who to copy. So you can also click on this star button here to save him on your favorite if you want to keep watching him. You can also write him a message. You can come here and click on message and write him a message. All of this flexibility in technology and interface Light Finance offer is what makes Light Finance Broker an edge over other broker when it comes to copying. So I can just write him like, hi, Mr. Hi, Trading X Capital. I love your strategy. Keep it up. You get it? You can just write it. I love your strategy. Keep it up. I would like to copy you. I'm still checking your performance. You can just write in. You get it? All of this now you are not copying yet. But because you don't want to copy by proxy, it is advisable you allow experts to advise you to copy. So that's why we have some list of traders we could recommend for you to copy. If we go back to the copy trading platform and check high profits, the ones with highest profits, you can still do your analysis here from what I just taught you. These are expert traders. You can do your analysis. Minimal risk. You can also do your analysis from minimal risk. Okay. So these are traders that has a very good risk management. You may want to also check the analysis to know who to copy. Okay. I think there's one trader here I admire his risk a lot, and I will just search for him. So you can also come right here to the search box and search. His name is No Damage. So look at him here, No Damage. I'll click him. He has quite good results like Trading X Capital. So you can see his long-term performance. Let's check more information about him. He's from Thailand. He has been trading for 687 days. His own capital is $300. So maybe you can copy this kind of trade and you see. So he's trading for 64 people and their capital is about $3,300. And this is his performance in the last 12 months. You can see it's all green, but the return on investment is small. You can also come here to check other information about him. He will be taking 20% when you copy him. Excuse me, friend. The minimum capital to copy him is $100. So these are the way you check. I'll save him too in my favorite. But I think I will also recommend experts like if you want to stop up your profitability a bit, you can copy expert like Profit Pro. You can check out Profit Pro. So Profit Pro has also been trading for quite some time now. And you go to information, you can check for 221 days. The minimum amount to copy is $25. And what will be taking $25, minimum amount to copy is $500. So this is basically how you do your analysis before copying. So if you have any question, please ask. I want to take you on an example how to copy right away, just by assuming we are going to be copying no damage. So if you have any questions so far, please ask. I want the class to be interactive. I don't want anybody to sleep on my class. So please ask your questions so far. I'll be answering you as we are going. And it's going to also be a sign that our connections and everything is intact. So let's assume that we are going to be copying no damage. So let's see how we go if we are going to be copying. You're welcome. I think some few persons are joining us. Welcome to the class. So let's assume you're going to be copying no damage. You just click on no damage. This is where the strategy comes in on how to copy. So if you click on no damage, if you are using a laptop to appear like this, but if you are using a phone, you will see when you click on this copy menu on your Light Finance platform, you will see a menu you can click copy. Immediately you click that menu copy, this environment will pop up, this environment for copying. So this is where you copy. So let's say like in this account now, we have $847. So it's not necessary that you use all your resources to copy one expert. You can also copy multiple experts, diversifying your resources and reducing your risk. Mr. Gabriel is asking a question. So please, let's take his question. Please, what is the position of Light Finance with prop firm? I mean, any partnership. Okay, Light Finance is not offering prop firm, but we'll be talking about some partnership at the end of the day. So just stay tight, Mr. Gabriel. We'll talk about partnership for those of you that are experts. Thank you. So to copy these experts, let's say I have $800 in my trading account. So let me just take you to how to see your trading account. To see your trading account, you come to MetaTrader or CTrader, depending on the account type you open. So you can see your account number here and the fund you have inside for MetaTrader. Okay. So you can also see that is your main account. If it's not your main account, you can click turn to main account. So for those of you using CTrader, you click on CTrader. You can also see your main account in CTrader. There's no money here right now, okay? For MetaTrader, you click on MetaTrader, either MetaTrader 4 or 5. You can also come here and open new accounts. You can open as many new accounts you want, okay? Meta 5 cents. Just open an account. But whichever account you have doesn't really matter, because when you be copying an expert, a default account will be created for the expert you are copying. That allows money to be taken away from your main account and copy multiple experts at the same time. Please, I hope I'm not too fast. If I am, you can also please slow me down for those of us who may be writing. Please, if I'm too fast, slow me down. Kindly use your comments, your question and answer session to ask questions rather than waving your hand. I'm seeing some few persons waving hand. Mr. Oladeyo, yes, I can see your hand waved, but you can just go ahead and type your question in the question and answer session, which is the Q&A, or use the chance to ask question. So let's come back to copying. So let's say I have this $800 and so in my account, and I already made up my mind to copy no damage. I'll click on no damage. I'll type the amount I want to copy. Let's say I want to copy no damage with $300. It doesn't end there. I'll click on copy setting to do some few other parameter of setting. The first thing is a copy open order. It is not advisable to copy open order because you don't know if the trade the person already have that is running is not running in profit. So leave that box unchecked. Copy type. Now there are various ways to copy, but the best option to copy is copy in proportion. Let me just see if I can quickly run through the 4 major ways of copy. Copy in proportion simply means that if I have, or let's say the expert have $1,000 and you have $100. If you copy in proportionally, it means that with his $1,000, if he plays trade and is making $100, you will make $10. With his $1,000, if he plays trade and is losing $10, you will be losing $1. So that automatically take care of your risk management. While copying by proportion, the sizes of trade that is being placed in your account will be synchronized because you are already proportionalizing your copying method. So for now, that's how the proportion works. Then you can copy full volume of each trade, which will not be so good if the expert has $1,000 and you have $100. Because now the expert places one trade with $100, your entire equity will be used to place just that one trade. And if the one trade is losing, it will affect your capital greater than the expert's capital because now he has more fund than yours. You might not want to use this one. You can also copy fixed volume of each trade. So you can just say, I want to put my lot size at, let's click it and see. I want my lot size to just be 0.01. Any trade you place, my own lot size will be 0.01. So you've already fixed the lot size you'll be using to copy every of this trade. This might not also be suitable because you don't know what strategy the expert might be using, okay? Then lastly, you can copy him in percentage of each of his trade. Now, copying him in percentage of each of his trade allow you to increase your risk more than the experts. So let's say no damage have $300 and I have $300. But because I like his risk appetite and the way he has managed to grow successfully, maintaining a consistent profit every month, I can say I want to go ahead and copy no damage with my $300, even though he has $300. But I want to copy him in a higher percentage. So if I use 100%, it means it's the same with his capital because I have $300 and he has $300. But if I increase this percent to 200%, it means that even if my capital is $300 and no damage capital is $300, at the end of the month, if no damage is making 2%, I can make 4%. But I'm leveraging on his risk appetite. So I can also increase it to 300%, 400%, depends. But I'm copying someone with a lesser risk, but increasing my own chances of earning more. So that's how copying each proportion work. Don't worry if I'm too fast. We'll have the video recorded. We'll send it to those of you who will be joining our community. And I'm sure this class is also on record. We'll also find a way to upload it on the Light Finance YouTube channel for you to watch later on. So let's copy in proportion. For a copy in proportion, that is done. One major thing you want to do, you want to set your risk. If I tell you I have a business proposal for you and there's no risk, I'm sure if you're a very smart person, you walk away from me. Every business has risk. What intelligent people ask is that, tell me the risk in this business and how do you plan to manage the risk? First, we've seen his performance in the previous month that he has been trading. He's just an expert trader like us that live in another country or another city. We're not using that as a yardstick to copy in, setting our parameter. We can also set our maximum risk. Say, for instance, I'm copying in $300, but if he's losing minus $100 of my money, the broker should automatically stop me from copying. So this is an instruction that I'm giving to the broker that is systemizing my account with an expert account to stop me from copying the expert when I'm having a loss of $100. Same go with the maximum profits. I can also set the maximum profit at $300. which means if I make up to $300 while copying this expert, this project should stop. Profit should come to my account while I decide what to do. Note, this setting is just being made as a prediction for the future. In case you are a kind of person that works in option or auction and you're not always around. But this doesn't imply that you cannot stop copying instantly. So you can set this parameter and you can still choose to stop the copying trading by yourself, even while it has not hitting the take profit target or minimal risk that you are setting. So once all this parameter is put in place, all you just need to do is to hit on the copy icon, and now we are successfully copying no damage. So let me take some of the questions we have here. Can I use a Funded Pro account to copy an expert? Funded Pro, Mr. Emmanuel, can you be a little more clearer? What do you mean by Funded Pro, please? So now we are copying this expert. How do we know we are copying this expert? We can see it here that we can stop the copy. You can see how flexible it is. You can just click stop copy to stop automatically. You can click edit. I mean, you can adjust some of this parameter to increase your risk or reduce your risk to $50 of your money, and then reduce your profit. If you're making $100 to stop, and then just click on edit. Your settings will be updated. You get it? That's how it works. So you see, it's flexible. You can always come and edit your parameter. You can also stop it just right away. But I want us to see that this setting is already made. So if you come down, click right where you have this black, navy blue, you will see that you are now copying no damage. Say copy no damage with this amount, stopping you at $50, making a profit of $100, stopping you. You can edit, you can stop. So right from on Monday morning, immediately when you start trading, you will see your profit will start counting here. Your profit will count here, profit or loss, which will also be reflecting in your equity as you are profiting or you are losing. So simple. So how do I copy another expert? It's simple. You just go back to copy. I think I have some few questions. Let me take those questions. Do you also have automated trading platform? That's what we are talking about. This is automated trading platform. Except you're talking about robots. Light Finance don't offer robot services. This is like the automated system Light Finance offers as a broker to traders. Like I said, Mr. Emmanuel, Light Finance is a brokerage services that offer you opportunity to trade on the global financial market or copy expert trader. So they are not a prop firm company, and you cannot copy with prop firm into the Light Finance platform because you have to bring your money here to copy. Okay, I'm sure I'll answer that. So let's try to copy Trading Capital. Click on Trading Capital and say, okay, Trading Capital already said the minimum to copy is $5,000. So there is no way we are going to be able to copy with our balance $500. So let's go back to copy and see if we can copy Market Wizard. Market Wizard and make 20% this month and 13% last month. So we'll just come straight up to profitability back to copy. And the minimum to copy Market Wizard is the $100. So we'll just leave this $100 by default. Say we're copying in proportion and we don't want to lose minus 50% of our capital. And we can leave the profit also open sometimes and we'll click copy. We have also copied Market Wizard. The way you see assets used is now $400. $300 for the first expert, $100 for the second expert. And this is now the asset that we have free in our portfolio. So if we click on this navy blue, you can also see that you are now copying 2 experts. And I can just click on stop to stop copying them. And the money will be returned back to my main account. That is how the system works. It's very flexible. Let me stop copying, no damage. All of the assets used is now zero, and all my capital returned to my account. So if you've copied an expert, that's how you see that you'll be making profit from a Monday morning. So let's see if we have another new question. No new question. This is all about copying an expert. So let's see how you can set up as the expert to be copied and the opportunity of accessing funds for copying. So if you come to profile, like my name here now in this profile, you can click on edit. When you click on profile, you click on edit. This enables you to set your own copy trading as an expert. You put your name. You put some description about yourself. You put your picture if necessary. You say make available for copy trading. You tick it on. You say show my full name. I don't think that's necessary. Then you put the percentage you want to be taking from the people copying you. And let's say you have some people who are bringing people to copy in, you can decide to give them like 5% also from the system. So you have partners referring their friend to copy. You put 5%. And here you can also set the maximum amount people can use to copy you, $100, $1,000. Just go ahead and set that here. Once you are done, you say save. If I click save, this name here, guarantee, will be appearing in the partner's environment for people to copy. That's how it works. There is no other assessment. You can set up as partner instantly. You can set up as newbie instantly. So if I click save now, it will be saved. So let me come back to copy trading and search for this profile. Guarantee. Guarantee. Look at it here. It's now available for copy. So you can now copy guarantee, come to portfolio to check its profitability, come to profitability to do your setting and copy in. Of course, you can't copy yourself. So you'll be available for people to now be copying you. Okay. So let me quickly go back to profile and remove it as an expert, because we don't do that as a brokerage rep. So we off it off and then save it. You can copy. Okay. So let's take some question. How am I going to know an expert is trading at a particular time or day that I want to copy? I think you don't need to worry about all of that. You just copy and watch your profits. Maybe at least give weekly or monthly to watch your profits. You don't need to bother to find out, because you are not trading along with the expert. He's doing the trading, and the trading will be placed on your account automatically. You don't even need to log into your Light Finance platform. You'll be checking all the trade. You don't need to log into your MT4. You'll be checking all the trading performance from here. So let's go back to our presentation page. For depositing, you click on finance. And watch this video guide to show you how to put money into your Forex accounts. Okay? For profile setting, you just watch all this explainer video. They will explain that to you. But meanwhile, we'll also be open to offer some further consultation. Because of time, because we have about 30 minutes to go, we just need to quickly switch over to our presentation and see where we are now. So that's how you set up as a newbie and as an expert. So if you are a newbie, you have the resources, you don't have the time, or you don't have enough skill, just go ahead and copy an expert and start in it. And if you're an expert and you're looking for people to copy you, that's how you set up your profile. If you're sure you can trade very well, go ahead and trade. Even we help to recommend you to our traders in seminars, presentations like this. Just like I'm using some of these experts as an instance, I could be using you too. And people watching this video may decide to copy you if your performances are okay. So that's for experts. Now, how do you assess fund with the broker? Light Finance has launched a project called My Light Finance Fund, the Light Finance Nigeria. Of course, this is not the Light Finance International project. This offer is only available to Nigeria through us as a representative. All you just need to do is to prove that you are a professional and profitable forex trader and you can access $2,000 and above or less, depending on you, so that you can use to be trading as an expert and people can be copying you. There's some terms and conditions. I will just explain the basic. One, you cannot withdraw this $2,000. It's not your money. Two, you cannot withdraw the profit from this $2,000. It's not your money. But as you get people to copy you and they are now making profits, that share you have set to be making while they are copying you, you can withdraw that share. So this is a great opportunity for those of us who are experts and want to access funds to start their career in the forex trading business. So like I said, terms and conditions are applied. Be leaving our contact for you to contact us so that we'll show you how to access these funds if you are interested as an expert. I think we have questions there to answer. Please, how will the trader be taking his percentage? It's automated, Mr. Henry. Everything is automated. Technology handles that. Once you click on that copy to copying and it's trading, immediately he places a trade and he gains. His share just automatically goes to his account, while your own is left inside your own account. That's how it works. Automated. You don't touch anything. You don't touch anything to trade. You don't touch anything to close trade or to manage anything. The expert just do all of that. Okay, so let's look at another way to earn in the Light Finance platform, which is called earning without trading or investing. So you don't have to trade. You don't have to put your money to be trading, but you can also earn. How? By referring people to copy experts. So you can just refer people to copy experts and you'll be earning. And that have been doing for many years, even as a partner with the broker. So quickly, let me just show you how to do this setup in the Light Finance environment. That's what you do in this environment called affiliates. If you click on this environment called affiliates, you'll be able to get a referral link that you will use to be referring people to copying you. For those who are interested, we're going to be sending you a video, but for security reasons, I might not be able to show you my personal affiliate environment. Okay, but once you click on the affiliate, there are some few steps to take. A code is given to you, ensure to use to register people, and then they fund the account and they are copying expert. For every trade that is placed, a commission is given to you. The beautiful thing is that it's not a one-time return. You earn money for every trade that the expert is trading for the person. The expert makes money, the person makes money. The broker gives you a small incentive for referring the person to come and copy experts. So this is where you get that from. And for those interested, we'll be leaving our contact so that we'll tell you how to go more about this option. We still have more questions for Mr. Oladeyo. How do we get the recorded after the session? It will be shared on the Light Finance YouTube channel. And like I said, we also have explainer video on how all of this work. So if you get our content and WhatsApp us, we can also send it to you to watch. Okay. So back again to our presentation slide. I hope I'm not too fast. We've learned a total of about 4 things now, right? 1, how to earn by copying experts. 2, how to be the expert so that people can copy you. 3, how to access capital for copying. That's why you must register with lightfinance.ng so that we can validate you and then you can access this capital to be trading. People cannot be copying you while you take some share from the profits you are making for them. Okay? 4, we are talking about how you can earn income. You are not trading. You don't have the time to trade forex. You don't have the resources to go and copy experts. You cannot access the My Light Finance fund because you can't even trade. Just use your link to refer people to copy experts and you can be earning so much more than you can imagine. And the Light Finance also have a more robust partnership offer for those who are referring people to copy experts. You can have the VIP status. You can have $1,000 to support your seminars across Nigeria. When you get to stage 3, you can win a trip to Dubai, a week vacation to Zanzibar Resort, light finance branded car worth $35,000, a house with $70,000. These are several other reward structures that are designed for partners who are referring people to copy experts. For those who are interested, we break all of this down for you better. These are some evidence of traders that have won car from Light Finance before now. This event was had at Charity Hotel in Lagos 2 years ago. Light Finance gave a car. Last year, Light Finance also gave a car to one lucky winner, and that's Mr. Meto Ehiste presenting the car to the lucky winner in Nigeria. Laptop and several other gifts was given to trader. Most brokers don't do this in Nigeria. There's a lot of brokers with loud noise on social media, and they have no customer giveaway. They have no partnership reward structure. But you can see Light Finance has given a branded car to traders in Nigeria. And we do organize webinars like this to create awareness. So I think we are at the end of the presentation slide. We'll still take some questions. If need arise, we'll go back to the membership area to still explain some further things. We are just exactly 1 hour into this class, so we're able to keep to time. So give Mr. Hayes a tube up for keeping to time. So if you're just joining us, please go to lightfinanceng.com to register so that you can be able to be profiled properly and join our community. You can also message us on Skype or follow us on Instagram at lightfinance_ng. So please keep your question coming. Let's take some more questions, and then we'll give you our contacts to follow up with us on our social medias community so we can continue this support system for you. What is the possibility of learning to trade from Light Finance? The possibility is very high. We have a training institute in terms of partnership with Light Finance that handle training with offices in Abuja, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Benin, Warri, Kano, Ibadan, and some other parts of the country where trainings are being offered. Okay? Our contact will be dropped down for you. Do you accept cryptocurrency for deposits? Yes, cryptocurrency is accepted for deposits. Okay, so let me drop my phone number. Our company contact is 080-8402-8543. So check it. It's on the webinar chat, 080-8402-8543. So check if you can see it. Please just give me a tube up. This is also a WhatsApp number. Chant us right now on WhatsApp. Let us take you a further step-by-step on how to copy an expert, or a further step-by-step how to set up as an expert, or how to access the My Light Finance Fund, or how to start referring people to copy experts so that you can start earning. So please, let's confirm that we can see the phone number on the screen. Can one withdraw through cryptocurrency? Yes. If you deposit through, Dr. Wale, good evening, sir. So if you deposit through cryptocurrency, you withdraw cryptocurrency. These are part of Light Finance anti-money laundering policy. You can only withdraw via the same way you deposited, sir. So let's keep the question coming. And please, I will need 1 or 2 bob to confirm that my phone number is gotten. Please, the phone number is on the webinar chant page. Click on the webinar chant page. You can see the phone number. And if you've seen the phone number, please give us a wave. Mr. Mohammed, can we take this to a wave for the phone number? We need 1 or 2 other people to wave to confirm that the phone number is clearly seen. Or otherwise, I can still dictate the phone number for those who are with their pen and may want to write it down. The phone number is 080 84 02 8543. 080 02, sorry, 080, sorry, 080 84 02 8543. 080 84 02 8543. So, in absence of no other question, and we'll be able to successfully share contact with you, we will want to put the class to a close, and while we are still open to further consultation and supporting you to begin your journey to start earning the forex markets, even without trading. I'm sure this presentation will prove to you without reasonable doubt that yes, you can earn the forex market if you are busy, even without trading. You can create your own strategy and system to ensure you always make profits in the market. All you just need to do is to also consult us so that we can help you set up this system properly and you get it right. So we'll just to give another maybe 3 to 5 minutes for some few questions more to come and to confirm that you have gotten our phone number so we can be putting the class to a close. A minute, please. Go ahead and drop your phone number. Go ahead and send us a WhatsApp message. Thank you so much for your patience. In absence of no other questions, I'm sure we got my number. Thank you, Dr. Wale. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Eri. Thank you, Mr. Oladeyo. Thank you, Mr. Erin. Thank you, Mr. Payemi. Thank you, Mr. Emmanuel. I'm sure you talked about the prop firm. I'm sure I'll be able to talk about the opportunity within Light Finance. Thank you, Mr. Gabriel. Thank you, Mr. Nii. Thank you so much for making this class a success. We sincerely appreciate you. On behalf of Light Finance International and Light Finance Nigeria, we thank you for being part of this presentation this evening. We'd like to put the class to a close, and we do hope to hear from you soonest. Bless you. This video will be made available on YouTube, and for those of you who want the explainer guide, you can also message our number. I will be glad to be of assistance to you.